Okay. So this video is just some clips from last night where we launched our Kickstarter. If you're interested, these are the not outtakes, it's just the game owning me, really. But if you're interested in checking out the Kickstarter, I've popped a link in the description below. Hope you enjoy it. See you soon. Take care. So I'm... Oh, no, I was about to just say, I'm in the lead. I'm in the lead. I'm unstoppable. Look at me.
Oh, sweet hubris.
Uh-oh.
Are you collecting those?
I'm going to land on the boost pad. What? Oh, but I didn't get it. No.
Too high. We have a height axis. I was going to say Z, but it's not Z, it's Y.
Well, nothing can stop me now. So this... I'm much better at the game. I can hit... Yep. That was very lucky. If I'd ended up there, I'd have been... well,
I had a small graffiti, by the way.
I noticed it. I mean, this world is now coming to life. It really is. Oh! Have you up... Yes! Oh, I'm on top of it! No. Have you up to the prevalence of those?
No, it's random.
Oh.
Turn around.
I mean, one of the things we could do is maybe make it a toggle rather than a view that you have to cycle through.
Did you hear my different acoustics?
Oh no!
Broke it.
I broke it.
You broke it.
No.
You're not gonna win now, are you?
I found a bug, Jan. I found a bug. Oh dear.
So, Jenny raises a point, and someone, I think it was Jessica, she mentioned this.
Oh, did it kill me? It killed me. I'm back in. Yep. Sorry, you continue. I'll turn that down.
With a racetrack outline. So.
Oh, tight corner. I can hear someone else right behind me. Or maybe I could hear myself.
I think you can hear yourself.
Ah! What a time to look behind.
Medic!
No, it's all good. It's all good. All good. It's all good.
That was a victory roll.
Yes. Just a little bit of a spin there as I go around the corner. It's... Oh, no. Oh, look at my health. Look at my health.
Yours.
Gotta get through the check.
It's all yours, Roderick.
No!
Yes! Just before he gets to the checkpoint. He's third.
No. I keep... No. Under pressure. Carl, give me a boost.
Get third again.
Oh. There they are. Yes.
Very nice.
Oh, get off my tail.
Come on, Omni. Come on, Omni.
Oh, I was trying to look behind me.
We learn. Oh, second. Oh, Mikey, you could have been the hero, but now you're the GOAT.